My name is Akshay Davera. I basically belong from Jaipur. I have done my schooling from Subodh Public School, and after that I have done BCom. After that I joined banking sector, which is for the first job was with Deutsche Bank. After that I joined State Street as a team lead, and I was into FX confirmations and settlement. So I have always been planning to go out of India. So I have always been trying to, as a worker or a professional or for education motto, I had to move out of India. So finally, I found a way to go out, which might be a good reason to work with welding and make my good scope in this field. I came to know about Adore from one of my uncles who is into the fabrication business into Jaipur, and he is also a resident of Canada also. So I reached out to him and he suggested me to get in touch with the Adore Limited Academy so that people who are working here are very nice, and it is the best company which is providing the welding equipments as well as electrodes to the world. So it was an best option to work with them and to learn from them. They have the best welders in the world. Also, the trainers are very good. When I came here, I met Mr. Harshal Borol. So he told me that yes, you can go for the desired courses. There are multiple courses provided by them, but the best they suggested us what to do, and they are very disciplined about the time, about the food, about the hostel facility. Everything provided by them is the best, I'll say. About future, we never know what is future and how we can plan it, because it's unbelievable and it's inconsistent. So we only think, as of now, I'm working with Adore and I'm planning to move abroad. I'll be a good welder and I'll also try to work with Adore in future also. About Adore, I'll say only one word, which is called as a trust.